Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Makeup Simplified. My name is Kashmira and I'm going to be talking about my nighttime skincare routine. So let's get started. After cleansing my face with a makeup cleanser, I remove all my makeup and then I use a multi-cleanser by Laneige to make sure that all the impurities are washed off. I like to follow this with a serum. Today I'm going to be using Tatcha Brightening Serum. I like to use all my vitamin C serums at night because vitamin C makes your skin sensitive to light. So you want to make sure that you don't wear vitamin C and go out in the sun without any sunscreen. So I really love using the Laneige cleanser because it helps me remove dirt, makeup, and it also provides gentle exfoliation with the papaya enzymes it contains. The Tatcha serum was recently launched and it has vitamin C, which helps with cell turnover, helps reduce radical damage, and helps brighten skin to make it firm and hydrated. It also has AHAs in it, which are supposed to help remove buildup of dead cells to reveal the underlying radiant skin. I've been using it for the past 3 weeks and my skin already feels rejuvenated. Following the serum, I'm going to be using an under eye cream. I like the one by Mario Badescu Hyaluronic Eye Cream. You only need a little bit of cream on both eyes. So you just dab it with your ring finger without applying extra pressure. So just dab it very gently. The Mario Badescu under eye cream is so smooth, creamy, and it doesn't have an awful smell. And you don't have to go really close to the lash line. Just stay down because it will eventually rise up. You can apply near the crow's feet area. It's really good for dry under eyes. So once you're done applying the under eye cream, I like to use some kind of a moisturizer or a night face mask. So sometimes I like to use the Laneige Sleeping Care Mask, or on certain days I will use, like once or twice a week, I'll use a face oil. I don't like to use both together. So when I'm using the mask, I do not put any other creams. When I'm using the face oil though, I will put some kind of a moisturizer, follow it up with the oil. So today I will be using the water sleeping mask. Just use your fingertips to apply a nice thin layer all over the skin. I like that it is very lightweight and smells really good. The Laneige Sleeping Mask is amazingly lightweight and moisturizing. It has a jelly-like texture and it doesn't leave my skin greasy when I wake up in the morning. But my skin looks very hydrated and bouncy when I wake up. This mask is super hydrating and your skin feels really good the next day. Now the last step in my night skincare routine is the lip mask. Never sleep without a lip mask because at nighttime your lips tend to get really dry. So you definitely want to apply a lip mask on it. Again, the one I like is the one by Laneige Special Care Lip Sleeping Mask. So just you again need a very tiny bit. Then the Laneige lip mask has a balm-like texture and it's a combination of berry extracts. It's very suitable for all skin types. That's it. You're now ready for your beauty sleep. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Makeup Simplified. Also press the bell icon. Comment in the comment box below and check the links in the description to the products I've used in the video. I'm Kashmira and I'm going to be talking to you tonight.